Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing the vibration intensity on your Galaxy Watch. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. You can do this both on your phone and on your watch. I will show you both, starting with your phone. Open up the Galaxy Wearable app and tap on Watch Settings. In the watch settings, tap Sound and Vibration, then tap Vibration. You can now change the vibration intensity between strong and light. You can also change the vibration duration between short and long. To do it on your watch, swipe up from the bottom of your watch screen to open the Apps menu. Select the Settings cog. Scroll down the settings and select Sound and Vibration, then scroll down and tap Vibration. You can now change the vibration intensity between strong and light. You can also change the vibration duration between short and long. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Galaxy Watch tips and tricks.